Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both the phone and the host. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then connect with a known good cable. Make sure the device is in MTP or file transfer mode. On the computer, install or update Android SDK platform tools so a DB is current. Once done, open a terminal and run a DB devices to see if the phone is listed. If it is, proceed. If not, swap cables or ports and repeat the listing until the device appears. Next, diagnose the connection method and network. If you use a DB over TCP/IP, run a DB TCP/IP 5555 and get the device IP in settings. Ping that IP from the host to confirm basic reachability. If ping fails, fix Wi-Fi or hotspot settings. Also check the host firewall and any VPNs that may block port 5555. Restart the DB server with a DB kill server, then a DB start server. And reauthorize the RSA prompt on the device when it appears so the host is trusted. To fix a refuse to connect error, try explicit commands. A DB connect 192, 168, X 5555 for TCP, or switch back with a DB USB for USB mode. If connection is refused, temporarily disable host firewall or antivirus to test for blocking, then create exceptions for a DB and port 5555. Reboot both the device and PC, update platform tools, and reinstall Android USB drivers if needed. If nothing works, consider a controlled factory reset only after backups. This clears persistent configuration issues, but is the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.